Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, turn off search the web results in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Create new key under Windows named as Explorer. Right-click New, Dword 32-bit value. Type Disable Search Box Suggestions, D, S, B, and S are capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.